The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams and who have the courage to work hard and make them come true. A very good afternoon, Reverend Sister Manjusha, dear sister, teachers, and my dear Ramneeites. On behalf of the Cabinet, as I speak our last message here, reflecting on our journey in this remarkable school. We are filled with a profound sense of gratitude and nostalgia. These past years have been a treasure trove of memories that have shaped us into the person we are today. First and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Sister Manjusha and the management for entrusting us with these responsibilities. Thank you for placing your trust in us, and we hope that we reach your epitome. Secondly, I thank all my teachers for always guiding us and showing us the right path. Dear teachers, your unwavering support helped us in shaping our life, and thank you for being by our side all throughout the years. My dear juniors, thank you for being so supportive and cooperative, and your willingness to listen to us, even when our role was required to be firm. Even we scolded you many a times, but trust me, that was not to show you how much strict we are, but for your well-being and concern. As our school motto says, labor omnia vincit. That means labor conquers all. Suggest that success in any endeavor can be achieved through hard work and dedication. Wishing you best wishes for your future. How can I forget my dearest Dallises? Thank you for turning the ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. The laughter we have shared, the challenges we have faced, and the victories that we have celebrated together. Your support has been our strength, and your friendship has been a source of joy and comfort. These memories will stay with us for a lifetime, and I am grateful to each one of you for making them possible. Best wishes to all. Adieu, my alma mater. Thank you.